Welcome back to WILDBORN Outdoors. Today I'm reviewing Alpine Body Fuel, a product I've been using all season instead of energy drinks. I want to share how it's helped me stay energized, healthy, and feel better after long days in the field. For years I relied on energy drinks to keep me going, but I started noticing the crashes, jitters, and the unhealthy ingredients piling up. I wanted something cleaner, energy that lasts without crashing. Alpine Body Fuel caught my attention because it's made for outdoor athletes, hunters, and people who need sustained energy without artificial junk. What is Alpine Body Fuel? Alpine Body Fuel is a powdered mix you add to water. It's packed with electrolytes, B vitamins, amino acids, and natural caffeine sources. It's designed to hydrate and fuel your body naturally. The formula helps with focus, endurance, and recovery. There's no sugar crash because it uses balanced ingredients and no artificial flavors or colors. How I use it in the field. I take Alpine Body Fuel before I start my day in the mountains to get a clean, steady boost. When you're hiking miles, glassing for hours, or packing out meat, you need energy that keeps going. And this does that without the jitters. After a long day, I mix another serving to help with recovery and hydration. It tastes good enough to drink straight, which makes it easy to keep up. Why it's healthy. This isn't just energy. It's also hydration and recovery. The electrolytes replace what you sweat out. The amino acids help with muscle recovery. Plus, it's free of artificial ingredients, so it won't weigh you down or mess with your stomach. I've tried the different flavors and they all taste great. Not overly sweet or artificial like many energy drinks. It mixes easy in cold water, no gritty texture. That's important because when you're out hunting or hiking, the last thing you want is a drink that's hard to stomach. Since switching, I've noticed I feel more consistent energy throughout the day. No crashes, no headaches, and better hydration. I'm recovering faster after long days, and overall, I just feel healthier. If you're looking for a clean, effective energy boost for hunting, hiking, or any outdoor adventure, Alpine Body Fuel is worth checking out. Link is in the description. Drop questions or your experience below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more WILDBORN Outdoors reviews. Thanks for watching.